Greetings viewers, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we have another tool haul, another German tool haul. Very small one, only 2 items, ordered from Hand Tools from Germany. We've got a Stahlwille 17F-12 combo ratcheting wrench set, and we have a WITTE Pro Drive bit driver. So let's go ahead and take a look at what we got. So as I said, this was ordered from Hand Tools from Germany. We've got the Stahlwille 17F-12 combo ratchet wrench set. We'll take a look at that first. Comes in this nice canvas roll, Velcro shut. All right, so as I said, this is a 12-piece set of ratcheting combination wrenches, non-reversible. You get 12 pieces, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19 with no skips. This ratchet end is a 72-tooth mechanism, so a 5-degree swing arc. Again, these are a flat flip-over design, no offset and no selector switch, so you gotta flip them over to change direction. Similar to the old original gear wrench ratchet wrenches. In overall feel, as most Stahlwille wrenches, they have a great feel in the hand. Very comfortable, nice, smooth, rounded over edges. No sharp edges to dig into your hands. Also the matte chrome, which has really grown on me since I started buying and using German tools. I really do not mind the matte chrome anymore. I was a big polished chrome fan, but that is changing. As far as overall thickness goes, these are more in line with the 14 series combination wrench from Stahlwille rather than the 13 series, which is a bit slimmer than the 14 series handle. They do have, as you see here, there's a little bit of resin in here, and there's a screw here that holds the ratchet mechanism in place. Don't want that coming out, working its way out, so they put a little bit of clear resin there to keep that screw from coming loose. Your open end has a 15-degree offset from the handle. And, you know, that's pretty much it, as much as we can talk about a set of ratcheting combination wrenches. And moving on to our second item, we have the WITTE Pro Bit Drive. This is a bit driver with one very cool party piece, which is this. You've got your bits here stored in the backside, and it is a quick release. Push the button, pop them out, keeps them all nice and organized. Beyond that, the end of it is magnetic, so if you drop a screw or a bolt or a nut somewhere, you can retrieve it with the end of this driver. The driver has a locking collar on the end to retain your bit. It is not going anywhere. This thing locks like no other. I have had trouble trying to get the bits out just by hand. It grips so good. I believe it is a lock and magnet retention. Yeah, there's magnetism there. And I believe it has a locking collar as well, or a locking ring for this collar to engage. But it really holds them really well. Hold any of your 1/4-inch bits. This particular one comes with Torx bits. It's got a T10, T15, T20, T25, T30, and T40 bit, which is great for you German car guys. Not so much on Subaru, as there's not but a handful of Torx fasteners on Subaru vehicles, but I like the fact that I can load the tail up with whatever bits I want. And again, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bits in the back, so neat little bit driver. Nice good feel to the handle. Has a little bit of texturing here to give some good grip. Of course, haven't tried it out yet to see how it works when, you know, it's got some grease or oil on it, but seems like it would be pretty promising. It does have this, looks like to be a 1/4-inch hex shank here, so if you needed some more leverage in turning something, I assume you could put the open end of a 1/4-inch wrench and turn it, although 1/4-inch wrenches are normally pretty short, so you might not get too much leverage added in turning force there. But yeah, that is our WITTE bit driver. And that will do it for our very small German tool haul. But before you click off the video, don't go anywhere. You want to stick around. We're doing a giveaway. Hand Tools from Germany is going to be giving away one of these Stahlwille 17F12 combo wrench sets on their Instagram page. If you want to enter to win, the contest will start today, May the 1st, and run through May the 5th, 2021. To enter, you'll go to Hand Tools from Germany on Instagram. I'll put it here on the screen. I'll put it down in the description links below. And you will find this post, this picture right here. Like this post. Then in the comments, tag 2 of your friends and comment, "I want it." That will enter you in the random drawing for a chance to win the wrench set. If you want an extra entry into the drawing, share that post to your Instagram story and tag Hand Tools from Germany in that story post, and you will have 2 chances, 2 entries into the giveaway. The drawing will be held on May the 6th and announced, so keep track of that. They will be announcing it on their Instagram page. So fingers crossed, guys. All of you go flood in the comments, like the post, and get entered for your chance to win your very own set of Stahlwille wrenches. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you in the next one.